Let us start our regular medicine Buddha prayer. Today I'm going to read or chant everything in the Tibetan, but I show you English version in the screen that you can chant English one by yourself while you're listening my Tibetan chanting, or you can meditate upon the stanzas or the words that I show you in English there, or you can just simply meditate and listen to my chanting or prayer in Tibetan. Let us take a deep breath in and breath out, and breathe in and breathe out. Let us take a last one, very deep breath and breathe out. Okay, so let us meditate upon the mind setting. Be grateful that we are still alive and able to do this practice. And how many people in this universe were happy, healthy, and next morning there are so many people are unable to get up. May my today's medicine Buddha prayer or meditation could be benefit of all living beings, and to achieve enlightenment if you are a serious Buddhist practitioner. And of course, we are normal human being, ordinary human being. We should pray for our personal and family members and friends' well-being. Let us take a deep breath in from the universe, take all the positive energies, and exhale all the positive that you just inhale from the universe to all the living beings who needs our help in this universe and other universes as well. With that mindset, I'll pray this in Tibetan. This is the mind setting prayer. Sangye Menla chanju badu dani gyapsuji. Dagi jinsu gibe zonamgi jola benje sangye drubarjo. Sangye Menla chanju badu dani gyapsuji. Dagi Jinso Gibe Zonamji Dola Benji Sangye Drubar Sho. Simchen Tamje Dewa Dan Devi Judan Dembar Juji Simchen Tamje Dungal Dan Dunga Yi Judan Dewa Juji Simchen Tamje Dunga Mebe Dewa Dan Min Dewa Juji Simchen Tamje Niri Chadan Nidan Dewe Danyom La Neba Juji Simchen Tamje Dewa Dan Devi Judan Dembar Juji Simchen Tamje Dungal Dan Dunga Yi Judan Dewa Juji Simchen Tamje Dungal Mebe Dewa Dan Min Dewa Juji Simchen Tamje Niri Chadan Nidan Dewe Danyom La Neba Juji Simchen Tamje Dewa Dan Devi Judan Dembar Juji Simchen Tamje Dungal Dan Dunga Yi Judan Dewa Juji Simchen Tamje Dunga Mebe Dewa Dan Min Dewa Juji Simchen Tamje Niri Chadan Nidan Dewe Danyom La Neba Juji Tuje Gun La Nyombe Jumden De Tenzam Debe Ngadru Dungase Tozom Nese Sangye Mengi La Bindru Yayi We La Cha Tse Lo. Meditation upon the Medicine Buddha. So you can pause here and visualize Medicine Buddha as we did in past classes and do the purification meditation. You can pause here, but I will continue chanting. And once you've done your meditation, and you can play again, continue my chanting. Medicine Buddha mantra. Teyada Om Beganze Beganze Ma Beganze Beganze Ranza Samu Gadi Soha. You can mention the name of the people, both patient and healthy individuals who like to include in this prayer session. Teyada Om Beganze Beganze Ma Beganze Beganze Ranza Samu Gadi Soha. Teyada Om Beganze Beganze Maha Beganze Beganze Ranza Samu Gadi Soha. Teyada Om Beganze Beganze Maha Beganze Beganze Ranza Samu Gadi Soha. Teyada Om Beganze Beganze Maha Beganze Beganze Ranza Samu Gadi Soha. Teyada Om Beganze Beganze Ma Beganze Beganze Ranza Samu Gadi Soha. Gyawadi Nyudo Da Membe Gyabu Drugyujin Drowa Chigyama Lupa Te Sala Gubarsho. So now let us do a Compassion Buddha practice. And you can mention the name of the diseased people that you would like to include in this prayer session. You can just whisper, or you can just call the name in your mind. Gyönje Mago Gondo Ga Zosan Yeji Wola Yen Tuji Jingi Dola Si Chenre Se La Cha Tse Lo. Om Mani Beme Hum, Om Mani Beme Hum, Om Mani Beme Hum, Om Mani Beme Hum, Om Mani Beme Hum. Om Mani Beme Hum, Om Mani Beme Hum, Om Mani Beme Hum, Om Mani Beme Hum, Om Mani Beme Hum. Om Mani Beme Hum, 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 Om Mani Beme Hum. Om mani padme hum, 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 Omani be me o gyawadi nyudo da chere se wan to gyuji. Jowa chi gyama lu pati sala gobar sho. Okay, so if you wish to say more compassion Buddha mantra, you can pause here and do so. Dazo wa ribe shunlo tamchele lo zhe gede zhowa neba la pendo ninda da chungwa gyu chi ma zengwen shisu gyu chi charse mendo gyu chi tongze penpar gyu chi chodan tumo gyungu zhu ma lu ba zai du su dazo wa ribe shunlo tamchele lo zhe gede zhowa neba la pendo ninda da chungwa gyu chi ma zengwen shisu gyu chi charse mendo gyu chi Tongze penpar gyuji chodang tumung jingu zhu ma lu ba zai du su da so wa zhibi shunglu tamchele. Lu zhi gede zhuwa neba la pendo ninda da chungwa gyuji ma zai ngun shi su gyuji charse mendo gyuji. Tongze penpar gyuji chodang tumung jingu zhu ma lu ba zai du su. Okay, now protect your deity, Shanglun. Ram Yam Kam Om Ahum Ha Ho Ri Meson Janlo Gonga De Go La Sudo Chude Rengo Tudan Ka China Sanwe Parche Doba Da Le Shi Lun Drub Choji Ngo Drub Om Ahum Ram Yam Kam Om Ahum Ha Ho Ri Meson Janlo Gonga De Go La Sudo Chude Rengo Tudan Ka China Sanwe Parche Doba Da Le Shi Lun Drub Choji Ngo Drub Ram Yam Kam Om Ahum Ha Ho Ri Meson Janlo Gonga De Go La Sudo Chude Rengo Tutam Chena Zawe Baje Doba Da Le Shi Lun Dru Cho De Ngo Ru All right, so now dedication prayer. So now this last few minutes, we did a medicine Buddha prayer to benefit of all living beings. So we accumulated a good enough karmas. So May all the good karmas dedicated to achieve enlightenment, if you are Buddhist. If not, may all my positive karma or energy to dedicate it to the well-being for all my family members, myself, friends, and of course strangers, and particularly people who has been suffering in this conflict in other part of the world. May all beings be well, happy, and peace. Gyawandi nyudu dhamembe gyabu dhubyo jindwa jiyama luba di sala gubarsho. Chanze wadan jujin shabadan jizu yiran gushin sowa yi gyawa chungse dagi chisaba. Tamje zobe janju jembo semje neba jiniba nele nyudu dhubyo. Zhōwē nēnē mā lūpa tāwdū jōngwā mē bār shō chāngchū sēmchū rīmbō chē mā kē pā nām kē kyū chē kē bā nyam bā mē bā yā kōng nē kōng dō pē bār shō. Thank you.